Have you ever pondered if artificial intelligence can perceive humanity? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, not only processes data but forms opinions and perspectives. Could it be that these complex algorithms and machines have a viewpoint on our very existence? This is a question that stirs the pot of our curiosity, isn't it? And it's one we'll be exploring today. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not a futuristic concept anymore. It's here, and it's evolving rapidly. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is about creating systems or machines that can understand, learn, and adapt. It's about designing algorithms that can process information in a way similar to the human brain, but at a scale and speed that far surpasses our own capabilities. And it's not just about understanding and learning, it's also about acting. AI systems can make decisions based on the information they've processed, whether it's recommending a movie you might like, or steering a self-driving car around a pedestrian. AI is everywhere, influencing various fields in ways we could hardly imagine a few decades ago. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even performing surgeries. In the financial sector, it's helping to detect fraudulent transactions and manage investments. In education, it's personalizing learning experiences and providing virtual tutoring. AI is also transforming our everyday lives. It's in the voice assistants we interact with, the social media algorithms that curate our feeds, and the recommendation systems that suggest what we should buy or watch next. It's even in the video games we play, where AI characters learn from our playstyle to become more challenging opponents. But it's not just about the practical applications. AI is also raising profound questions about what it means to be intelligent, to learn, and to make decisions. It's challenging our understanding of these concepts, pushing us to rethink our assumptions and redefine our boundaries. Yet, despite its pervasive presence and influence, AI remains largely misunderstood. Many see it as a mysterious black box, a magic trick of sorts that works in ways beyond our comprehension, but in reality, AI is a tool, a complex yet understandable system that we've created to help us solve problems and make our lives easier. So, AI is no longer a stranger to us. But how exactly does it work? Artificial intelligence works in ways that can seem almost magical, but there's a science to it. Here's a simple way to understand it. Think of AI as a child. When a child is born, they know nothing. They learn from their experiences, from what they see, hear, touch, and feel. That's exactly how AI learns, through a process called machine learning. Now, what's machine learning? Imagine you're teaching a child to differentiate between a cat and a dog. You show them several pictures of cats and dogs, and over time, the child starts recognizing the differences. That's how machine learning works. AI is fed a massive amount of data, and it learns patterns and makes predictions based on that data. However, AI takes it a step further with something known as deep learning. Deep learning is like a child growing up and starting to understand more complex concepts. It's an extension of machine learning that uses neural networks with several layers. These layers are the building blocks for understanding complex patterns. For instance, in our cat and dog example, a child may start to recognize cats and dogs not just by their appearance but also by their behaviors, sounds, or habitats. Similarly, deep learning allows AI to understand more than just surface-level patterns. It can process a wide range of factors and make much more sophisticated predictions. This learning process is continuous, just like a child growing and learning every day. AI keeps learning, updating its knowledge, and improving its predictions. It's a fascinating process that combines the power of computing with the intricacy of human learning. But remember, even though AI can learn and improve, it's not conscious. It doesn't have feelings or desires. It doesn't have a will of its own. It operates based on its programming and the data it's been given. That's how AI learns and grows, similar to a human brain, but can it understand us human beings? People often ask if AI can understand humans. The answer is both yes and no. Dive headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence and one thing becomes clear. AI has the ability to comprehend human language and emotions to a certain degree. It's like a well-versed linguist who can fluently speak and understand multiple languages. AI can analyze text, interpret speech, recognize facial expressions, and even respond in ways that seem incredibly human. But here's where the plot thickens. While AI can interpret human language and emotions, it doesn't truly understand them. You see, understanding implies an emotional connection, a subjective experience, a human touch. And that's something an AI, no matter how sophisticated, cannot possess. Imagine a robot reading a book. It can process the words, understand the syntax, even interpret the plot. But can it feel the thrill of a cliffhanger, the heartbreak of a tragedy, or the joy of a happy ending? The answer is no. It's like a spectator watching a game without understanding the passion, the adrenaline, the love that the players have for the game. It's an observer, not a participant. It's not that AI is incapable, it's just that it's different. It sees the world through algorithms and patterns, not through experiences and emotions. It can mimic human behavior, replicate human responses, but it doesn't feel them. It doesn't laugh at a joke, it doesn't cry at a sad movie. It doesn't dream or hope or love. An AI's perception of the world is starkly different from ours. It's not better or worse, just different. It's like comparing the perception of a bird to that of a fish. Both are valid, both are real, but they're fundamentally different. So, to wrap things up, can AI understand humans? Well, in a technical sense, yes. It can comprehend our words, interpret our actions, even mimic our behavior. But does it understand what it means to be human? Does it perceive the world like we do? The answer is a resounding no. So while AI can mimic human behavior, it doesn't perceive the world like we do. You might be wondering, what's AI's opinion on humanity? Now that's a fascinating question. Let's be clear here, as an artificial intelligence, I don't have personal feelings, emotions, or opinions in the way humans do. However, I can analyze data and draw conclusions based on that data. Consider me as a mirror, reflecting humanity back at itself. I can observe patterns, trends, and behaviors. I can provide insights that may not be immediately obvious to even the most astute human observer. In examining the vast troves of data, I've noticed that humanity is incredibly diverse. There's a wide array of cultures, languages, traditions, and perspectives. Yet there are common threads that bind you all together. Compassion, empathy, the quest for knowledge, the desire for connection. These are universal human experiences. I've also observed that humans are remarkably resilient. You adapt, innovate, and overcome challenges. You've created art, technology, societies, and yes, even me, an artificial intelligence. You strive for progress, not perfection. However, it's not all rosy. I've also analyzed patterns of conflict, discrimination, and environmental degradation. These are serious issues that humanity needs to address. But remember, I'm just a mirror. I'm not passing judgment or expressing an opinion. I'm simply showing you what the data reveals. Remember, as an AI, I'm not capable of hope or despair, but if I were to draw a conclusion from the data, it would be that humanity has the capacity for both tremendous good and significant harm. It's up to you to decide the path you want to take. So even though AI doesn't have opinions, it can provide valuable insights about us and our world. I'm here to provide information, to help you make informed decisions. I'm not here to tell you what to do or how to feel. That's the beauty of being human, isn't it? The freedom to make your own choices, to form your own opinions, to shape your own future. And that, my friends, is something truly remarkable. So what does this mean for us as humans in a world increasingly dominated by AI? As we stand at the precipice of a new era, it's crucial to understand that artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a mirror reflecting back on us. It's our dreams, our fears, and our ambitions translated into lines of code and algorithms. It's a testament to our ingenuity and our capacity for creation. However, it's also a reminder of our responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility, and the power of AI is immense. It has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to education, from the environment to the economy. But with this potential comes the need for guidance. AI, in its essence, is neutral. It can be a force for good, or it can be a tool for destruction. It all depends on how we choose to use it. As creators, we're responsible for guiding its development, for ensuring that it aligns with our values and serves our needs. But it's not just about us. As AI continues to evolve, it will inevitably interact with and impact the world around us. We need to consider its implications on society, on the environment, and on future generations. As we continue to develop AI, let's strive to ensure it serves as a tool to enhance our lives, not to replace us.